Okay, everybody, I can hear you. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Michelangelo Farmhouse. Just doing some morning chores today, so thought I'd just let everybody out, let you watch the ducks kind of peck around, and I'm gonna let the pigs out here in a second. So, Pop wants to say hi. Hey, pigs. Here you go. For those of you who have never seen any of my videos featuring the pigs, I'll introduce you to them. This is Snoop right here. This is Henry. This is Shakira. And over here, I'm not sure if she's out of frame or not. This is Dixie. So Dixie right here and Henry, we've had since they were little babies. Well, we've had all of them since they were little babies, but they were the first kind of farm animals we got here. And they are pretty much boyfriend and girlfriend right from birth. They were, I think, born within the same week of each other. And yeah, and then we got Snoop and Shakira here. They were also pretty young when we got them. We got them from our vet, Dr. Jane, and they are brother and sister. So they all love each other very much. I'm not sure if you can see Snoop's tusks. They're getting a little bit long. We're gonna have them sawed off pretty soon, which is quite an experience watching that. Holding a pig down while he gets his tusks sawed off. It's pretty intense. But yeah, so they're gonna eat for a little bit. I'm gonna fill up some waters, get some other stuff done. Not sure if you guys can hear that squeaking through my microphone, but that's one of the ducks. She's been sitting on a nest that she built, but there's literally 0 eggs in it. Not really sure what's going on with that. The ducks have not been producing eggs, which is really weird. Because they go through spells where they just pump them out like crazy, and then they just won't lay anything for like a month. I don't get it. Their diet doesn't really change. I don't really understand the Muscovy duck laying cycle. All right, I'm gonna go turn on the hose. Our power went out earlier, and unfortunately when we don't have electricity, the well doesn't work, but luckily it came back on after about a minute or so. So we have fresh water. Our solar panels that we have don't hook up to our well, which is something we should probably try and fix in the future. Oh, you definitely cannot see all the pigs. Here. Here's the pigs. Henry there. This is Snoop. And then Dixie is this one in the middle, and Shakira's back there. Yep. They're just chilling. I'll just set this right here. And Watch them keep eating. All right, let's see what else is going on. There's Flop. How's it going, Flop boy? What are you up to? Just hanging? Derp is here. Yeah, beep, 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 beep. She wants to hang out with Flop, I guess, this morning. Pig's there. Venus was around here somewhere. I'm not sure where she is. She usually likes to hide under the wife's truck. Oh, there she is. Venus, come say hi. Venus. Come on, girl. It's already getting hot here, so she's like, I don't think so. We can go see what the ducks are up to. Snap and Pop like to hang out over here by our gate. Yeah. Pop's just hanging out. Don't mind the long grass. I need to mow. It's been either hot as a mother here or just raining cats and dogs. I just opened our gate. We have all kinds of like duck signs. This one is for Willy, of course, the guinea fowl one. And then this is, I think, the very first sign we hung up. I always like that one. I like this one too. Animals make noise, can smell bad, have sex outdoors, and poop everywhere. If you cannot tolerate any of these, you may not like it here. And then, of course, go blue. All right, going back. There's our overgrown garden. Gonna have to do another garden update video. Oh, here's Venus. Let's see if she'll come say hi. Hi, sweet girl. How are you doing? What you up to? Say hi to the people. Everyone wants to see Venus. Hopefully some of you that are watching some of these long form videos have seen some of the shorts too, and vice versa. The cat videos, even though we have alpacas and goats and pigs and ducks, the cat videos, for whatever reason, do the best. Uh-oh. I forgot that I turned on the hose and now my water is overflowing. Let's change that. Yeah, let's have you watch the pigs just a little bit more. Okay. I can hear the goats in there. They're getting a little bit testy. They don't like it when they can hear me, but I'm not feeding them. All right. This is just going to be one long video today. I'll probably cut out all the boring stuff, which I'm sure there will be a lot of. Just like us hanging out. Let's see if I can set this up in a way that it doesn't look crooked AF. That's Willy. Oh, sugar. Jeez. I need to get my act together here. All right, level enough. Crap. One of my barn lights are out. Okay, you can watch Willy hobble around. He's still really struggling with his foot. You can probably see how he's limping on it. It's not looking so good. All right. Hi, goats. It is awfully mushy in here with all the rain that we've been having. It's disgusting. I was just walking around and just happened to notice this little snail guy. He's just chilling by the hose. Hopefully you can see him. Try and get a close-up. Look at him go. Alright, I hope Bachu doesn't find you. He's right here. Uh-oh. Bachu's probably gonna attack me. Hi, Bachu boy. Hi. How are you doing? Good morning. Just don't bite my finger. He's in some kind of mood. I blasted him a little bit with the hose this morning. Alright, back to the video. That's Oliver right there. He's the only goat that gets to spend the night with the alpacas because he doesn't terrorize them and annoy the alpacas. But the other goats are locked in this stall, which you'll see in a second. Uh-oh, Shakira. Hey, Shakira, you leave that alone. I think she's just ready to go to bed now. They haven't been out for that long. All right, let's see release the hounds. Here we go. Oh, gosh. Come on, goats. I always bring the goats out here to feed them. They get a little bit of grain each morning. A few days ago, I made a YouTube short where I showed them all kind of eating in a line, and it's just something they're used to every morning. So that's what we do. All right. I think that might be it for the morning. Really simple video. Just wanted to show you what a morning looks like here. And yeah, I've got to finish up taking care of the birds and bringing the pigs back in. And Dixie looks like she's ready to come in and ready to go to bed. So we're going to sign off there. But if you like the video, go ahead and like the video. If you'd like to comment or subscribe, that's your thing. Go ahead and do that. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Let's go, Dixie.